Today we're going to be replacing the lower control arms on this 2014 Ford Escape. We're going to be starting on the driver's side, so we're going to go ahead and lift that side up and get started. I'm going to go ahead and use a 19mm to remove these lug nuts. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is remove this inner fender lining in order to give us some more space. So in order to do that, we're gonna remove these bolts on this side and also remove these panel clips. So these bolts are 7mm and we have 6 of them. Okay, so in order to get the lower control arm off, we're gonna need to remove both mounting brackets. You have one on this side and another one over here. This one has 2 bolts in it, and also the lower ball joint is right there. We need to remove that bolt to get this out. First thing we're gonna do is take off this bracket, which is blocking us from this bolt over here. Remove this bracket right here. And you have 2 10mm bolts and 1 13mm on the bottom right here. So next we're gonna go ahead and remove this bolt right here, holding on the lower ball joint. All right, so we're gonna need an 18mm to hold the nut and a 15mm to remove the bolt. All right, so I got the bolt out of here and I was able to pry this lower ball joint out with a pry bar. Next, we're gonna work on getting these bolts out that hold the lower control arm, and you got 1 right here and 2 on the other bracket. So we got this bolt out. Now we do have 2 more bolts holding on to this side of the lower control arm. These are both 18mm. Go ahead and put them off. All right, so right here is the bolt that's spinning. It's a 21mm. All right, so I was able to get the lower control arm off. This side over here, I really had to fight with it to get it off. And I'm thinking because of the sway bar, in order for me to get this clamp back on this section right here, I need space, and this sway bar is not budging at all. All right, so I did come over to the passenger side to remove these two bolts. They do go up through the sway bar. So now that I remove them, I have space. All right, now we're just gonna line up the bolts. Got those two bolts on. Once I tighten everything down, it should all come into place very easily. All right, so now we have to line this bolt up over here. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and tighten up this bolt to the lower ball joint. All right, so now the last thing we have to do is to tighten down these bolts that go to the lower control arm, but also secure down the sway bar. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side since it's still loose and I can move it. Then at the end, I'm gonna tighten everything down. Okay, so now all I have left is to tighten down these two bolts that go to the sway bar and also to this portion of the lower control arm. So remember to use a wrench to hold the nut that's on top. All right, so that's it. Everything is secured down. That's how you replace the lower control arm on a 2014 Ford Escape. A tip I would give is to go ahead and remove the bolts on both sides for the sway bar, because the sway bar bracket and this part of the lower control arm held down by the same bolt. If you go ahead and remove both sides, it'll make it way easier. So yeah, any tools you may need for this job will be in the description. Hope this video helped you out. Hit the like, comment, and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.